My name is Patrick Cumbie. I'm the Vice President of Product Development here at ArborGen, and we have recently updated our pine product portfolio to reflect the best combinations, the best products available for the market for loblolly pine. We have 5 new product categories. We start with open pollinated, or OP, and this is a standard for the industry. This is improved material that's been through 2 or 3 or maybe 4 generations of improvement, and it's going to offer a base level of volume gain and disease resistance in form. This is going to be a standard tree that's going to provide a mix of solid wood products as well as pulp and paper. We then move to OP Pro. This is going to be the best combinations for trait performance in the open pollinated families. This is going to give you a step up from OP in those traits, so improved volume and disease resistance and stem form, but it's always going to be limited by the pollen that comes into the orchard. And so we can improve the mother of those families, but we have no control over the pollen parent. To go past that, we then go to the 3 MCP products. That's MCP to start with, and that's going to be a step up from any of the OP that's offered. Again, with those 4 key traits to continue to improve the growth rate and volume gain, stem straightness, our disease resistance, as well as reduced forking. So that's going to give you a step up in saw timber potential. To go then from MCP up to Pro and Pro Plus, these are going to be exceptional combinations of those 4 traits that are really giving you a superior combination of performance and a much higher percentage of saw timber production in the plantation. At the top of the categories is MCP Pro Plus, and this is the very best material in each region. They are tested crosses that have superior combinations of those traits that aren't available with any other product class, whether it's ArborGen or anything else in the market. These are unique crosses that we've developed through our testing program that nobody else can produce. One of the changes that we've made with our new product categories is the information that we're providing so that the customer can see what value is being produced with the trait performance. And so as you look at maybe OP Pro versus one of the MCP categories, you're going to see the difference in saw timber produced and the total tons per acre that are produced and the value that can be produced financially from these decisions. Ultimately, we want to make it easier and more straightforward for the customer to make a decision about what seedlings are best for their property. I would encourage people to take a look at the resources that are available on our website. You can dive into the details for each region to look at the different product levels and trait performance that's available. And then you can also reach out to reforestation advisors for the specific families that are available and details for those families. I think it's an important time in forestry. We're seeing a lot of changes in the southeastern U.S. and wood markets, and we have a resource that can be used to adapt and continue to offer value through forest plantations, particularly with solid wood products and saw timber. And so I'm really excited about the combinations that we're able to produce with this new product classification and all the analysis that we put in behind it, because we are putting together some unique combinations of growth gains and stem form improvements that we haven't been able to do in the same way before. As you consider silvicultural changes that we'll be able to offer to the market with these new categories is a really exciting part of the business.